Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Harida, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for the support. So guys, after 2 or let's say 3 to 4 hours, I finally decided on the one to buy, which is this one here, the Hisense. I went for the Hisense, though the LG was I was almost like getting it, but the difference is too much. So guys, this is what the one I went for. I will just do a quick unboxing and a quick setup. So guys, I have Hisense freezer before. I think I've done a review there, but it was of me cleaning the Hisense freezer. But one mistake I did is it developed a fault, and instead of me to call Hisense, I called all these roadside or what those roadside repairers, and they just damaged everything. But the good part is I told Hisense when I went to pick this one, and they said they will send someone to come check it. I can still use their service to work on that one, so I will do that. But in the meantime, I needed a freezer. I just had to go and buy this one. So guys, we'll just unbox this. And I think I've been unboxing things like electronics for some time now, and it's always Hisense. Guys, it's not because I love Hisense, so it's just because when it comes to brands, like Hisense is quite affordable compared to any other brands like LG, Panasonic, Scanfrost, which other brand is out there. Hisense is just way cheaper compared to those ones. So, and again, it's value for money, can serve you. And yeah, so let's just open it up and see how it is inside, and just a setup video. So guys, this is how it comes. This is me trying to unbox it. I did a recording. I recorded while I was doing this video. I was putting on my mic, and I don't know what happened, since the mic is faulty or something. I have to do a voiceover, and I said a lot of things that I don't even know what I said, because the mic was just, you won't hear anything. It was just giving this kind of noise I don't understand. So guys, let's just unbox and see what we have inside. So this is how it comes. After removing that thing, what do? You just kind of lift it up, and you have your freezer there. This is the back, so I'm just going to set that aside. Then remove this, open the nylon, remove all these things on top of it. One thing about freezer is that they don't really come with a lot of things. Nothing, like just this is all you get. Just the freezer, the handle, and those baskets inside. Is it baskets? Is that what it's called? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is just the freezer. It's looking very new. Guys, I'm filming this video at night, and I know that if I didn't film this unboxing video, I'm going straight to plug it, and I won't be able to do it again. So just bear with me with the lightning. And this is the back here. This is just what is going on at the back of this freezer. Yeah, nothing much is going on there. So guys, I have this, like I said, I have this freezer before, and the one thing I noticed, because when I came back, I had to remove that one from the space so I can put this one in. I noticed that quality thing I was talking about. That one has more quality, but I will show you in a bit. So it comes with this thing going on here. There's alarm, there's light, and there is power, and it says fast freezing. You can set it medium, mid, low. Yeah, that is just what is there. But I always leave mine on max. I don't know where do you leave yours? Where is even the best place to leave it? And let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is just all it is. Like, this is it. Nothing much, nothing serious is going on there. This covering here, I will show you guys in the old one. It is different. It is different compared to the old one I have. So guys, let's just open it up and see what. Nothing really is inside. Nothing much is inside. Just the, what's it called, the manual, and those two baskets inside. That is just it. So yeah, so guys, keep watching. So guys, I bought this particular one for 313,000 naira. Too expensive, way too expensive. Okay, things are so expensive now, they have to bring new things and everything. They've increased price, why still reduce quality on the products they are bringing in? So look at the cover I was telling you about. Look at this cover now, you see how it is. It's more solid, like has this solid thing going on there, but the other one is just, you see, even though it has design, but the other one is more solid than this one. So guys, I don't understand. God should just help us in this country. Even if things is going high, prices of things are going, why not still maintain the quality of that same thing and increase the price? It's better that way. You maintain the quality and you increase price than you increase price and you still bring low quality something. Like, it's really annoying. So guys, a quick one. This new freezer I got has some issue that I don't understand, but I've called Hisense and they are going to send someone to come and check it out. When it froze, the body of the freezer just got frozen, but the things you put inside will not be frozen, to just be cold. And even when you off it, maybe there is no light for like 1 or 2 hours, everything, even both the body, everything just defroze under 30 minutes. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.